Billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we are going to learn Surah Al-Fatiha, English translation, sentence wise and also word by word. So let's start. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, who is most gracious, most compassionate, ever merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise be to Allah alone, the sustainer of all the worlds. Alhamdu, all praise and thanks lillah be to Allah, Rabbi, the Lord Al Alameen of the universe, of the all worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, most compassionate, ever merciful. Ar-Rahman, the most gracious. Ar-Rahim, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin, the master of the day of judgment. Maliki, the master, Yawm of the day, ad-Din of the judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. O Almighty Allah, you alone do we worship, and to you alone do we look for help. Iyyaka, you alone, na'budu, do we worship. Wa iyyaka, and to you alone, nasta'een, we ask for help. Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, show us the straight path. Ihdina, show us, guide us, as-sirat, to the path, al-mustaqim, the straight. Sirat al-lazina an'amta alayhim, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed your favors. Sirat, the path, al-lazina, of those an'amta, you have bestowed your favors, alayhim, on them. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين, not of those who have been afflicted with wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. Sirat, Ghair al-Maghdub, Ghair, not of, al-Maghdub, those who earned your wrath, alayhim, on them, wala, and not ad-Dallin, of those who go astray. Ameen. Sadaqallahu Mawlana al-Azim.